Hi, my name's Coach Curry. I'm teaching your student either Algebra 2 or Geometry this year. Our goal is help them get through math in the easiest way possible. I try to make content um, as easy as possible for them, focus on key concepts, throw out things they really don't need, try to focus just on the things that they need to learn so that they can get the main concepts down and pass the class at a rate that should be fairly high as long as they're following along and doing what they're supposed to do. Our goal is to make sure they're not doing a lot at home. They should not have much homework at all. They have time in class to do their work. Our schedule is that we have a day to teach a lesson, and the next day is their day in class to work on that lesson. So anything that they're doing at home is stuff they didn't finish in class, which could be a problem or two if they were struggling, but it really shouldn't be a full assignment. If it's a full assignment, they're probably not using their time very wisely in class. Uh, if you guys have questions, concerns, please send me an email. We do have the phone system at the school, but it does not work as well as it should. I don't usually get the phone calls or voicemails if you're leaving them, just because they get lost somewhere. But email comes to me. I check my email multiple times a day, so I'll email you back that day or get back to you beginning of the next day. My email is kyle.curry@rrps.net, which is posted on Google Classroom with the syllabus. Everything that we're doing in class is on Google Classroom. If your student ever has questions about what they should be doing, if you guys are going to miss for a vacation or if they're sick, they should check Google Classroom. That's where their assignments are going to be. And if they email me, I can send them anything else they may need. There's lots of videos and things on the internet these days where they can show them example problems and things. I can send them a quick video. Hey, here's what we're doing. Watch this video. It should help you out. If you have more questions, send me an email and they can try to keep up. That way they don't fall behind if they're going to miss. If you guys have specific questions, specific concerns, like I said, please email me. If you want to talk on the phone, send me an email. Let me know. Send me a phone number. I can get in contact with you. First tests are coming up. So if your student is doing some studying and things, that would be the only time really that I'd want them to be doing much at home is when they're studying for a test. Otherwise, like I said, they should have time to do things in class if they're being responsible about their time. If you have any questions, please get a hold of me. Look forward to meeting some of you guys maybe in the future, but thank you. Enjoying having your students in class so far, and I think we're going to have a really good year.